Hi there, Damian from 4x4 EV, and here we're dealing with the Tesla battery module and the mounting, and what we call our fiddly bit here. There's two RivNuts and two bolts that hold the fiddly bit down and hold the pack down. And now I'm going to do a RivNut, and I have to energize this, start to thread that on, push it. Oops. Push, set, and now we choose a hole, pull the trigger, and it spits it out. Should I do another one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Just push.
Push on, push like that, pull the trigger, done. Another one here, start the thread, push, try it again, push, pull the trigger, done. Start the thread again, push, pull the trigger, done. We're good to go.